What's up YouTube? Today I want to show you guys some of the best or the top accessories for the brand new Insta360 Luna Ultra. Now keep in mind 99% of all these accessories will actually work for pretty much any other camera, including the DJI Pocket 4P, DJI Pocket 3. Basically any camera or action camera, most of these items on the table would work for it. The first thing I'm gonna okay, you guys don't see the camera, but that's because I'm actually using it for my overhead shot. I recently sold my DJI Pocket 3, which is the camera that I've been using for years for my overhead shot. But since I sold it, now I'm relying on the Luna Ultra, and what I'm gonna be doing is recording video overlays and as well as outdoor videos. The first one on this list is this ergonomic grip by PGYTECH. It's called a MantisPod. As you guys can see, with this right here, it allows me to hold it like this. And let me flip the camera over. So if I'm doing like a vlogging style video, it just feels more ergonomic to hold it like this versus, you know, if I didn't have this, I would have to hold it like this and a bit higher. Now obviously I'm gonna have the base part of it, but I'm gonna have to hold it a bit higher, which can make the arm fatiguing after a while, especially if you're recording longer videos. But with something like this, instead of that straight down, it has that curve to it, which allows you to hold it like this a bit lower, but you can still get that, you know, that vlogging style video as you want. And you can also put this thing right here on the desk, just like this, you know. So not only do you have this tripod and the hand grip, it's called a power tripod. You can also use this part right here and plug it directly to the back of your device and get some charging. So you can actually charge your device all in one go while still doing your recordings and stuff like that. On top of that, you guys can see this right here, right? It has a remote shutter button. So for if you're doing vlogging or something like that, it's not gonna be quite easy. I mean, it's gonna be harder for you to reach and tap the record button if you are doing something with your other hand. But with this right here, you can just, your finger is right there. It just gives you the quickest access to hit the record button right then and there. Now here's the important thing to know. As of right now, no Bluetooth controller works with the Luna Ultra. I'm sure this is something that will come up in an update, because this controller right here currently works with all my other Insta360 cameras, including the Go Ultra, the Insta360 360 camera, the X4 and the X5. This one works with all of them except for the Luna Ultra. And I've tried Insta360's own remote version. None of them actually work with Luna Ultra, so I'm guessing that's something that will come up in an update. So this right here is not functional in the meantime, but once it becomes functional, you're gonna have the buttons right here. Now something that this button has is, I don't know how it's gonna be for the Luna Ultra, but with other cameras you can actually use this to go to mode. You can use this to power it on, record button and stuff like that. And once again, it is Bluetooth, completely wireless, so you're not gonna have as much signal interference when you compared to when you have the screen detached. When you have the screen detached, it uses Wi-Fi, which means that it depends on good signal. This one uses Bluetooth, so it's gonna work better in a situation where you don't have Wi-Fi. It also has this cool feature because it's a MantisPod. This thing right here, this plate that comes out, and that allows you to do something cool things like this, where you can, for example, put it right here. And because I have the Luna Ultra, I can just remove the screen. Look at that. And then just use this to pan. That is cool. Look at that. And that is not going anywhere because of this hook right here. I love that flexibility. That is so cool. Yeah, that's one of the reasons why that's my favorite. It's just so versatile, and this camera itself is super versatile. Being able to have your screen like this wirelessly it's great. It's incredible. Here's another way you can use this so-called MantisPod. I can just put it like right. Oh, there is no anchor. Oh, there is one. Okay, I can just put it like that. I bet I can track myself Look at that. And the camera follows me. So if I want to record something cinematic, I'm just talking, or maybe I'm painting this right here, the MantisPod allows me to mount the camera over there. Like, there is no other pod that allows me to do this that I can think of. You know what I'm saying? This is super cool. More importantly, well, I won't say more importantly, but for those of you who want 4K videos, and you don't want to turn your gimbal like this, or because it just doesn't feel quite as ergonomic, you can actually flip it using this dial right here. You can turn the camera over, turn it on, and now you have a full 4K. So on top of that, you can just grab it like this if you want, or you can actually use this other hand to stabilize it, and now you got your full 4K, you know, portrait mode. But using this grip right here, you can just adjust your grip, and you can even hold it like this. I wouldn't hold it like this, but you can. It just goes to show you how flexible having this camera, having this power tripod is. I absolutely love that I can use this in the future, which obviously the software is not available now to make it compatible. And I truly hope Insta360 makes that happen, because I would love to just easily tap the record button and it just starts recording instead of having to just do this all the time. Just this right here is a game changer for me. And if you want to capture time lapse, you can easily place the tripod on the desk, and it's going to capture your time lapse for you in 4K. Now the second one that I'm going to show you guys is actually what I'm recording the Go Ultra on right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch and show you guys how this one looks. This is second power tripod that I want to show you guys. This one, what I really like about this is the fact that even though both of them have charging capabilities for your device, this one has a super fast charger. So this one can charge faster, and not only that, it has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, whereas that one has the Mantis PowerPod, the PGYTECH Mantis PowerPod has 5,000. This one has 10,000 and can even charge faster. On top of that, this one also has the ability to tilt the camera for kind of like the other one. This is kind of like an ergonomic grip. On top of that, you see this feet right here? These things can actually retract into the device itself, which is great. This is very similar to the Insta360's power tripod. The Go Ultra combo package comes with a power tripod. The thing is though, I do prefer the Mantis PowerPod over this, because this one is very round, so it just feels like it's gonna go to the side. It just doesn't feel quite as ergonomic. So now the next things I want to show you guys are 3D printed accessories that will make an absolute difference if you are using your Luna Ultra for outdoor equipment, or for outdoor filming, or just whatever, in studio, whatever. This is what I'm using as this is a 3D printed part that I designed, and it's actually what I'm using to hold the screen for my preview right now. So that's how I'm actually able to see what I'm doing. Before, I used to use a tablet as my display, but now I use this. This right here is the 3D printed thing. So holding the camera like this, holding the screen like this is okay, but it just doesn't feel quite as ergonomic. And with this right here, you can just attach this screen right here on it, and now you have a better, easier way to grip this. So now I can talk to you guys while taking a glance at my screen to make sure that I'm in frame. Now what happens if I want to show you something about this case right here? Well, I need both of my hands, right? Or if I want to show you something about this, right, I need both of my hands. Well, guess what? This right here, this next thing is so let me show you guys how it works. So first, I detach my keys from this Nike lanyard here, and then I have this right here, which is entirely 3D printed. I hook it up, and then I take the screen itself with this handle, and I just put it on my chest, just like this. Just like that. Now my hands are free to do whatever it is that I want to do, and if I want to take a quick glance again, I can look at it and keep on doing whatever it is that I want to do. Now, let's say I put all my gears, up, like my camera and all that stuff. I'm walking through, exploring. I'm in a different country, and I don't want to put this case, because this case is good, right? But it's just so thick. like putting in your pocket, it just doesn't feel like, look at how it looks. It feels weird and it looks weird. I first discovered this inconvenience when I was at AW because I was wearing shorts and it was just so inconvenient putting it, so to the point where I just kept carrying it in my hands. Well, with this lanyard right here, now I can put my camera into it. I have this another one that's also 3D printed. I can just put it around my neck and have it hanging just like that. Out and about, this is what it looks like on my chest. If I'm out and about and I'm in a foreign country or just anywhere and I'm exploring and I see something that I want to quickly capture, I can just like that, you can start recording, and you can even set the camera to automatically start recording once you flip the screen. So I don't really miss much, and then when I'm done, just simply fold it back and put it in the case. Just like that, easy peasy. When you are getting smooth videos, right, or if you just want a more cinematic look, you're gonna need ND filters. Everybody knows this, and it should be a no-brainer. You gotta have ND filters. Now, these filters I'm using is by a company called Telesin. Now, this is the only items in this entire table that was actually sent to me for free for a review to showcase in my video. They have two different versions. They have the variable ND filter as well as the straight on. So I'm going to show you guys right now. The one that I have on my Luna Ultra right now is the variable ND filters. I prefer the variable ND filters because I don't often know what environment I'm going to be, but they do have these versions right here where it's a straight on ND filter, so it's not variable. You can just choose between ND16, ND4, or ND64 even if you want that. So you have this option. Personally, I just prefer the variable ND filter, but the good thing is you can easily store a backup in here. They even have a black mist filter, and every one of them magnetizes into your case, and on top of that you can stack them, right? So one of the things that I love to use is black mist filter and my regular variable ND filter. So guess what? I just stack both of them and they actually work. Do you need an ND filter all the time? No, if you're just doing quick social media videos, you don't really need an ND filter. Another device I wanted to show you guys is this right here. It's a 4th axis stabilizer, but unfortunately I forgot the counterbalance. So the camera itself, the Luna Ultra, is not heavy enough for this device right here. You need a counterbalance. Now when you buy it, it does come with a counterbalance, but I just forgot to bring it, so I'm not able to show you guys what this thing is truly capable of. But I have made some videos when I was using the Pocket 3 to record rollers with this right here, and also when I'm doing my real estate video shoot. I'm a real estate agent. When I'm doing my real estate video shoot, I don't want all that the up and down bopping, so I usually use this right here for that ultra smooth videos. Usually I mount this on something else, and then I have a grip, and basically I'm gonna put some screen recordings so you guys can see how I actually use it in a real estate agent. The only difference between that time that I use it is just the cameras. Otherwise it works the exact same way. I feel like if you don't want that up and down movement, this is an absolute must, and it feels really good in hand. You can also mount this on your car, or on the hood of your car, or even on the side, or even on your bike. Personally, when I'm doing rollers, I like to ride my e-bike, so I would actually mount this on my e-bike instead of on my vehicle. But you can mount it on your vehicle, you just have to buy a suction cup. This thing right here is it's a suction cup. Now you don't have to get something this big, but personally I wanted to have something super big and super durable. I have this electric suction cup because I often mount this on it, and this is a bit heavy, and when you put the camera it becomes a bit heavier. So I have this right here as a premium grade to hold my camera. The last thing I want is shooting rollers on the highway and my camera goes flying, because if it does, it's a bye-bye. But one more accessory that you must have is a microphone. Personally, I like to use the Mic Air instead of the Mic Pro because the Mic Air is just so much smaller than the Insta360's Mic Pro. That one's just too big and it hangs. This one right here is smaller. As a matter of fact, I have two of them. This one is not even opened yet. The one that you're listening to is actually right on my chest, and this is what it sounds like in case you're wondering. But Anyway guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comment section. I have more tips and tricks on this camera. Let me show you something that no one knows about. If you tap your phone on the camera, it's gonna automatically open, it's gonna automatically connect to your phone and open Insta360. That way you can immediately start downloading. This is something that I didn't even know about. I just happened to go into the manual and I saw something that says tap your phone. I was like, wait, this thing has NFC? Yes, this thing, the Luna Ultra, has an NFC. All you have to do is literally tap your phone on the screen of this thing right here, and it will automatically pull up Insta360 app for you, and you can immediately start downloading your files and stuff like that. That is so smart, and I never knew that.